is he going to be released? How is he going to post the bail bonds? How is he going to do it? 50 million Ghana cedis, 3 sureties, 2 to the justified. That means 2 of them should post properties. Not 50 million.
Has any of the bail conditions?
How can it be met?
Not paying attention to
How can it be met?
Someone is talking attention to his words.
How can it be met? This critical hour. Where are you going to find properties worth 50 million?
I'm finding it tonight.
I'm finding it tonight.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
said you are biano eyamra ana remonacho nyame na remonacha de da ye be wini elections ne de remonacha IGP this omupe baby no omushe because this is abuse of human rights eye Ghana pe na asemba who say Ghana wo tuo eye Ghana pe na asemba who say ni atwituo. What is this? Nipanu okromo hawo ya nya ne hwe otuka ese ya che no. What is this? Akola kitwa ene ne papa ne mama gender minister wo social media ohu say akola kitwa ye ko wono ho 2 weeks nie they've not found solution to it. What the krom ha America for to be be fa wo ba eko untumi nka ho hwe. What why clean up? One on a good baby, I want to make a washi. Or workers and for ye do mama won't win to Yamaka. Not diverting that is. That's it, dear why. Dear Ban, why? Okay, yes, ne arrest now. I'm more protested because of the arrest, and I said because you're detaining on more than the expected hours now. I know what. Dear why. Say, when you're there, I will demonstrate. Because it's your right. Mani who say what I say and put him through due process. Camping him and hold him. What will it change? What will it change? Chale, young Coladio. This is a remark I know also or trefe. Also, mama say a boo no man. This is a remark I was crying like a baby. Okay, one thing I know for sure, they say more expected at least by the close of the day. Muhu baby and answer or more reason. If it doesn't happen that way, what next? Oh, sir. It's rule of law. We will demonstrate. It's our right. We will be here. We will not break any law, but we will be here till we get the right things. Thank you.
It doesn't look like they need to be out today, and that's the reality. Because anyway, movie interrogation can do an hour and a half, after over 4 hours. After over 4 hours of interrogation, normal kind of said. As a bit Dennis Akufo Addo just a copy 50 million bail. You meet 50 million city bail condition. 50 million 2 out of
and I do one of fashion and I do 50 million.
The bail condition on Mom at home. There's a 50 million city bail condition. Now a no 50 million bail condition no. With 3 sureties. 3 sureties, no 2 out of the 3, no. Someone justifies some more properties worth 50 million cedis. Okay. I feel any lawyer for a few hundred man. The honorable attachment and we are called brainstorm kaka you go 7 and then for my money. The party no say no yewo openi odano or also soon as some national organizer general secretary ne lawyer for say yemba and you follow up case in Kwaku Annan. It doesn't look like they need to be out today, and that's the reality. Because anyway, movie interrogation can do an hour and a half, after over 4 hours.
Right. Wobeti na wobebi say den bonina Dennis aye according to EOCO.
Also Interministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization. A man Dennis aye secretary to work or supervisor abine projects a friend of EOCO projects near there abide the member. No mom did say nipa ni go no mo adwuma na wie pay only did say nipa ni go no mo man nye adwuma no aniate. You know, Sadia, or no others no more may who others come. Now, one person I'm also account on was started Jessica once your conference is totally not linked to this one. Nipa know there was an audit infraction, and Nipa admitted while the person was at the Interministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization. Once there was that audit, Nipa not then spread the payment to back, and it predates and sana EOCO crown now more back. See, I really don't see how bit much said that they are linked. That notwithstanding, we want to also take a step further. Yes, on your interview. So the lawyers echoing the bill condition, and if they have to go to court to also vary the bill conditions, lawyer for them may take that action. If from brainstorming and you may know they want to take a different strategy, so that will also be made.
Okatakyie men some more quantity to Okatakyie Afrifa. Mama tutu pipe na nkofo jinam say eh
Iraq.
Ade more two lies ana. I'm the back. Ma choma ba kwa na waso mrika na mza. Hwe. I mean how?
Okatakyie na ekuta na tag.
Miseku
because of one a year. Wo bra wuti we NPP for a wo constituency ni mu epe wasem. NDC for so epe wasem. Now ko gina NDC for ticket ana NPP ticket so a. So we so mo aka. Masa sese mu mama adwene no emrefie na munja NPP ni NDC bebrebe no.
Hey, hwe na tare moja.
Hwe Okatakyie Afrifa.
Na tare moja. I mean how? Why must you get to this level?
Sese we AC.
Why must you get to this level?
Adentia.
Hey,
Adentia. Election NDC MPP elections.
But men no na menim say election we no. Nkrofo bi aplan de ombeso mo ye dada. The only advice I have for MPP for and say party no empanimfo edi animu enne. Se omu wo opepa so mbe so mo ye party no said dia omu ka no ma no no a. Ene omu actions ne adwuma omu ye no. Etosin anase ebabra. Because MPP party no untumi encreate one faction emfanye MPP emma party no medi nkonim enye possible.
Na say factions na twem according to Dr. Bawumia. There's no faction.
Oh, said that me tia na me ka che say MPP for tia na me come e ka che say oma healing oma reconciliation awie etom nyina abomu omokoto aba na nya no kre. So Dr. Bawumia can say I don't politics I say faction intimi ntwemu da. What I say we can have consensus
and manage
and
it.
Come and work for the sake of unity of the party near fan kwaje election but factions intimi ntwemu political party BM. And you have to manage it. You have to allow people the space irrespective of nipa or supporting. Sanya sanka Dr. Bawumia ko anka MPP bi anka onim konka ho because time Nana Adanko Akufo Addo ne President Akufo call contest e wo sunyane 1998 no eno na the President Akufo be di akonya no obedi ye the first time Nana Akufo Addo foreign affairs minister in the course of the first time na osansesan Nana Akufo Addo ode koye attorney general in the course of the first time na osansesan no attorney general ne call foreign affairs. That time, not President Akufo himself another ambition. Our person would be president nibi. One can answer.
Yeah. On man quine.
It is only under or the same President Akufo and the ministers felt comfortable supporting candidates and not supposedly not president and supported. Time and Akufo kase President Akufo supported Alanche Martin. Not there were ministers of state, MMDCs, no more supported than Akufo Addo a bit. In 2007, I call University of Ghana, Legon, I presidential primaries. Not ministers CP, Edina Akufo Addo echi. What I say? Ya intimidate you mo, ya nyo mo hwe. Na Akufo Addo ankasa ni colleague MPs, the colleague ministers, ankasa so contested no. The likes of or the say Hackman Owusu-Agyman a contested in 2007. At that time, Professor Michael Kwe a contestee be Kwabena Agyapong na oye na Akufo Addo campaign manager in 1998 and so ono class can ho be contest na Akufo Addo ye bo fa Kyerema Boakye Agyarko be contest bi Alan Kyeremanteng Atta Kennedy chasing elephant to the bush obe contest bi what you say na ya asafo mafo contest bi I think at that time that Boakye 17 people a contest here. So you can clearly say some Kofono not almost supporting an Akufo Addo because they were also aspirants. But you go to a banner and a campaign. Young far aspirants bear supporter more before Uncle and film. Then at that time Atta Kennedy only a year and director of communication. Emma NPP.
Is it not because at that point no na social media enye to say na social media ni ho NPP enu nti na bia niam bi by the share pona sa obi
there be NPP sa 2007 primaries no popular pa even na social media ni ho no na ani bia ba
but ni America ne say okay say before so mo koye sa elections no?
Yeah,
you see the difference between eno and no is that sabre no ni yakoto efom hodie ni nyina awie but then ni yakoyi ni soro se nti ye pre obi e pre
eno na meka se ene no se omoye omadwen se party no esese nyina follow one person e wo party no mu a na NPP for kwa ne se bi na se na omo adwen no eye achim kakra in a way. Because Mr. you cannot have a political party who was supporters onipa over 5 million. Omo nyina be gia tum se nipa ba ko pe de pe.
We ye den ya ono a nti wa wi ni nti ye nyina preko.
Sana make no. Etu your political party asa na wan kasa politics no won't ase. He enne ye ti he Mr. Si ye ko wa sorry mu lighthouse. Ne say mu bishop dark
what most.
Ye pese obi eme replace no na dark ne ho afon ya people will support other people against him, even in the church. That is why when you go to certain churches like my church, we have a conference president and other executives you call you a more session a battle. People vote, even pastors know it be really be loose. So you should not say in politics there's no way I will bet me chim nipa nyina dwen wo party nim say esese obi adwen ekọ ni say we are decided na political party and our person wote, and that is how we see NPP going. Enti ene party no mu mema na danema, especially who our ambitions say o person contest for position. Uni nipa ni din come also me dem coalition me pem ho asem. Because I don't talk as on pen ho asem, ye be you see power no etia no. Omo ma wini ene na ebi mo ha na mo support Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. But ene wini ko ma wini enya omo de because threat akọ mo so aka tro mo so mo pa position omo fanto ho because enya de be mo kwan na omo ma ya adwuma better what you be wini power enipa bi adwen ne say ye ba be ne the normal election cycle na we mu time asuntu we mu mra enti enya ne se de epe ne yemfa nko mizenkum se koso ye sade a ene MPP party ne be ho ba power nso de ehun be de amaye what I say enti esese ye boy bra yie all of us cannot support one person in the party. We can build consensus and move forward. No be any never be the name MPP no corporate power. But say what the likes of are you a free but na baby can say si e ka moja na nye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia moja de a won't mean the constituency executive, won't mean the regional executive. Now patch the same. Sanka moja ni e twa ne hu obi moja e bia nka Bawumia nka e twa MPP moja nka e hu because now one ye twa moja na unim. But people accommodated others to work with them. 2007, Menabo University of Ghana hobby. What I say? Ana na Akufo Addo ye to abawie na Akufo Addo enya 50%. Onya 40 something. Ana ran so wo bem say 18 point something o se bibisa. say 35%, if my memory serves me right. And I see a sound to abani bi. Per NPP constitution, no, there's a tie. In the say ko break it, that deadlock. Na yenya a clear winner. I want to run the team here consultation. I run beje microphone. No can say. Yes, see a sound to abani bi moi. One. Enipa ebe to abana nya ene ne ya obi ata na constituency na to abana. At that time near ye de obi aba one venue ebe to. Adise ko print ballot foforo. Adise ye we foforo. At that time want to mean keep nipa olegon. En ko print ballot papers ma. Internet say see am mo ko to ashe. Ne san share date. Ne san spend sika until the long and short. The Alan say se mema party na boka kosa ne mo nim nyina de na Akufo Addo mi nua pani me jema ma no onfanko enu tina nkofo ka se na Akufo Addo 2008 win the flag barrage no because clearly per the constitutional provision na Akufo Addo didn't win the 2007 presidential primaries, though he had taken the lead, but he couldn't secure the 50+1 vote. And then the Malan Jamano na la su Jamano no President Akufo can send Michel and Akufo Addo 1998. Time President Akufo and Akufo Addo contest in 98 was no. President Akufo also you declare the winner no. As well catch Akufo Addo and they say you will come after me. In 2007, and Akufo Addo so kai sa President Akufo catch no. Yeah. I'm not so can Michel in Yakuma Alan. Say Alan, you two you come after me.
Say no boy or can da no.
At that time, they didn't say no boy and no boy.
Or can't that done. But they said there was a no boy. Or can't that done.
And then after you was a son of boy. What I say? And the man, Alan Jem man. Ain't a man for 4 o'clock? I say, you know, I am for a more than touch day. Nanka, Zatan and Nanka, yes, you maintain power. Because not President before, I'll lay foundation be a while. Now that time is when I can say, Akufo Addo win the presidency. But you go upon the obey the aye. And a power no rare. In fact, the about opposition crime. There be a catcher say NPP united when they are in opposition. The about opposition 2012. The next election, ye huama asem no kotwa Supreme Court. And samponi yeti ehwase. Yeah. Entini nyina nim say oh, Nana Akufo Addo lose 2008. Near power the lose power no. 2012 ye boy homodin ya but now discrepancies been in the but 2016 year ye dia hu baba for ya adwuma ma party na samba bi and ye san na Akufo Addo koy and ye koje power ne bai na nye na Akufo Addo ahomodin kwa na mu na party fo ni nyina and ye hu NPP aside you see in the history of NPP from 92 ye hu NPP aside to say this current NPP that this current MPP they say yo na igusu saiba baby ase duru ni igusu sai ko na say entwaye enema na wo mu no when you talk to people they find it difficult understanding issues na some of us we raise because not because they can't see it but because of their selfish interest. And say no mafias ni nyina akwa kodi Dr. Bawumia office. Oh how? Oh yes. Mafias na party no nyina akodi Dr. Bawumia office. Entino including and them no ka say all national executives. Obudu adam na ntem. Aw makasho mo to say ayi se bo abodom. Omo suro. What your part try say uye bibi. Omo ne wonya adwen. Ne hwese open re-election unless you are seeking no re-election. And your own so. And your so. But say also oh sign kwa ba bia mu dia. And you have to do as the master says.
Nya wo kan ye no kra party na say because you see in first na pa NPP say national executive bi say oka bibia obon say onya support no. But me say enra okohwe Henry Nana Boakye NPP including the general secretary himself and penifo a omo posting miracles Aboagye Arrést ni nyina no me say kona ko read comment na hwe de ekoso including one kasa wo yonko brabo ya oba krom ha mi hu se wayo bia bonida minti so akasa ti obi ada honorable Patrick Yaboama oh ko hwe ne comment ase
post TV
ha ko hwe ne comment ase amount for the mano.
Just say.
Left, right, center back. This tells you say party no asay. Eti SSA ye nyina no eni kwanse ye say no ye kan ye nwabom towards the flag bearer whatever, but towards the rebuilding of the party.
Mr. Nkum, yeah, by fair or foul means, you know, you flag bearer we. But you see, at the time I go to flag bearer, but near Kanan Kofontias and say to win election no does not solely depend on the flag bearer. It depends on the structures of the party and the unity of the party. And no never be my flag bearer na holding.
Sabri ye botui.
Sa enti say one dey say yen koi flag bearer ne nka obi anu ntumu a. Ebedu ba ebidu be say ade na mokoya ni nyina no. Anso abapa. Dada na eti ha na me ka say nkrofo don betumi bia say yen koya amendment when NPP constitution yen san papa no come flag bearer no be say dey ntia. Some people want to still hold on to power in the party.
Na see ye Congress ne dey denya say amendment because
there be anya da bia na amendment. Ye koya amendment ba ye 1 year ma ye. Enti na nipa na adwen bi see so ye ne sade a ene da bia party constitution be sesa.
Say based on they say na
ye call the Congress no. Na solely on amendment. This Congress ya ye kwa koto aba. Only say party for nangasa ya omo ndwen omo party members no. You are going to bring people from all the 16 regions. E dey aba. It in can papa mu that day no. Ese se mo ma focus no call election so. Say be yan ka cha kan adu no nso no nkron na ka ehu ni po be wi ni. Ni akan ya wi. But when am the amendment iba mu no afre na chairman the man report general secretary ye best to see e koto aba nkasa no na 7 abo di e beto aba na wie no na ya ahemache ye ma mu nyira ho mpom ye nkan o obeti say kasina na nkanafo mo ba si tu salaga mo ba si tu
no bi e ko
no bi e rashi because most program no a day program one day pay until delegation mo ba ye mo ba bi now o now mo ba Congress into the mo na
straight
omo ba beto abako niti be keep was is a very honor the whole day na bana mo ba beto no munya nto ye
I said 2024 there ye mo die o say ye de bi kogu ya sore ho a obi komo a wo mo share dem time ese so mo ba share ho
e de ne ma ko share mo o ti ase enti mumma yenye party no na nya kono ni allow people because see some of us we can't pretend and
aye dey be kanokracha
dey pen na ye pe because Nzankum NPP party apart from see a showcase here coat of armor nya yi e dey mbiem
nempo man family dey na
aye o china fabra o ta say e dey kra gemi aka me fra o kai o say bo coat of armor am zuma bo me dey o ta say aye dey.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.